உள்ள தற்காப்பு கலைகள் எந்த ஆயுதங்களையும் பயன்படுத்தாமல் நிகழ்த்தப்படுகின்றன. இது உடற்பயிற்சியோடு மட்டுமல்லாமல் மனதையும் கட்டுப்படுத்துவதற்கும் உதவுகிறது. தன்னம்பிக்கையை வளர்க்கும் வாழ்க்கையின் பல்வேறு ஆபத்துகளை எதிர்கொள்ள தயாராக்கும் கலையாகும்.
Every move, every stand, every sign is a testament to their dedication. Let's appreciate the skill and precision on display. For the karate demonstration, we have Red Shield Ashok Kumar, Black Belt 6 Dance Path, President of Tamil Nadu Kenbukai Shutoryo Karate School. Basic techniques in karate include stances, punches, blocks, and kicks. If these techniques are practiced properly, it will be easy in understanding the move. Next, we are about to watch Karate Bunka. To perform this
Karate moves organized into a pre-arranged fight against imaginary opponents. Kata consists of kicks, punches, blocks, sweeps, strikes and throws. Self-defense training is a skill that helps everyone to be more aware of their surroundings and be prepared for the unexpected at any time. Through self-defense training, people are taught to become psychologically, intellectually and physically strong enough to protect themselves in times of distress.
Come on audience, let's give a round of applause for our karate champ. Let's acknowledge the incredible Wow, that was amazing! Let's acknowledge the incredible